As I told you that today's lecture is important, that is memory technique. Generally, when most of the student do study, when the most of the student do study, when they do study all year, when they do study all year, but after doing study, after joining the classes also, when they go to the exam hall, near about 20 to 25% they forget. And whatever they remember, on the basis of that, they write that exam and they get the marks. And the surprising thing is that after coming out of that classroom exam hall and they recall everything, each and everything. Does this happen with you? Hello. Does this happen with you? Yes. Okay. Generally, when we park our bikes and after that parking bike, we keep that key somewhere and we forget it. Does this happen with you? If it is yes, then it's natural. It's natural. So today we are going to do the test. Today we are going to do the test that how many things you can recall. What is meant by recalling? What is meant by recalling? What do you think? What is meant by recalling? In recalling, uh, before that, I would like to tell you one incident. One day, I wanted to buy a good quality pen drive. One day, I wanted to buy a good quality pen drive. So I went to the mobile shopping for buying the pen drive. As I entered in the shop, I told to the shopkeeper that I want a good quality pen drive. And on the basis of that, I told him that if this pen drive will not work, then you have to return my money. So he was also ready. Yes, sir. The quality of that pen drive, the brand is very good. So there won't be any problem. So I paid him 2,000 rupees. I was so much happy. As I returned home, it was packed in the wrapper. I took the scissors, because it is in pair. So I took the scissors and cut the wrapper. As I cut the wrapper, it was very good quality pen drive. It was shining. I plugged to my laptop. As I plugged to the laptop, I shocked to see not a single song was there. Not a single song was there. So I became angry that this pen drive is not working well. This pen drive is not working well. I put it in the wrapper and told to the shopkeeper that this pen drive is not working well. Am I right or wrong? What do you think? Am I right or wrong? What do you think? Am I right or wrong? What do you think? Oh, wrong. What is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? Yes, the new pen drive is empty. Yes, the new pen drive is empty. We have to feed some data in it and then we have to recall it. Then we have to recall it. If we did not feed anything, we cannot recall it. Same is the case when we entered in the home, we keep that bike key at somewhere. Do we tell that to our brain? Do we tell that our brain that I have placed that key on the table? Are you getting me? जर आपण घरात आलो, कोणाशी बोलताना अनावधानित ती चावी कुठेतरी ठेवली आपण, ती ठेवताना आपण आपल्या ब्रेन मध्ये भरली का? ती आपल्या ब्रेन मध्ये भरली का की मी ही चावी टेबलावर ठेवली आहे? नो, दॅट्स वाय वी कॅनॉट रिकॉल इट. जर मी हा पेन माझ्या हातावर ठेवतो आहे हे जर भरलं, तर मला तुम्ही 1 वर्षानंतर विचारा, तर मी सांगू शकेल की माझा पेन मी माझ्या हातावर ठेवला होता. मला काय, तुम्हालाही आठवेल. Generally we ask to the someone that where is the key? The key is on the fridge. The key is on the mixer. So we recall it. आपल्याला आठवतं, पण आठवतं तेच जे आपण आपल्या ब्रेन मध्ये भरतो. जे आपण आपल्या ब्रेन मध्ये भरलंच नाही ते आठवणारच नाही. सो बघूया की आज आपण एक 1 बाय 1 डेटा आपला सर्व ब्रेन मध्ये भरू आणि त्याच्यानंतर ते रिकॉल किती होतं ते चेक करू. राईट. आता मी तुमचा माईक ऑन करतोय. सर्वांनी माईक ऑन करायचा नाही. सर्वांनी माईक ऑन करायचा नाही. मी ज्याचं नाव घेईल त्यानेच माईक ऑन करायचं. मी ज्याचं नाव घेईल त्यानेच माईक ऑन करायचं. आणि माईक ऑन झाल्यावर प्रत्येकाने एक एक वस्तूचं नाव सांगायचं. वस्तूचं नाव सांगायचं. काय सांगायचं? वस्तूचं नाव सांगायचं. आणि सर्वांनी ते सिक्वेन्सली लिहून घ्यायचे. त्याच्यानंतर किती रिकॉल होतं ते चेक करू आपण. आर यू गेटिंग मी? एक एक विद्यार्थ्याने त्याचा माईक ऑन करायचा, वस्तूचं नाव सांगायचं आणि त्याने सांगितलेली वस्तू सर्वांनी सिक्वेन्सली ती वस्तूंची नावं आपण लिहून घेऊ. सो आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू राईट, यू आर गोइंग टू राईट इन युअर नोटबुक and then we will recall it. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला किती आठवतं ते चेक करू आपण. राईट. आणि वस्तूचं नाव सांगितल्या माईक बंद करायचं. ओके. रिया, unmute yourself and tell me the one thing. एखाद्या वस्तूचं नाव सांगा.
ऑइल.
सॉरी?
ऑइल.
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 ऑइल. ऑइल. राईट ना? राईट. ऑइल लिहा सर.
ऑइल.
ऑइल. ऑइल. यस यस. ऑइल. ऑइल.
Sir, car.
1 minute. I told you that I will take your name. Then you have to unmute your. Otherwise, don't unmute. First, oil. Second, Vaibhav. Vaibhav. Vaibhav Wag.
Yes.
Bottle.
Bottle. Second, bottle. Second, bottle. Okay. Vikas Khot. Third. Mr. Vikas.
Book.
Book. Third, book. Third, book. लिहत मी नाहीये, लिहिता तुम्ही. सर्वांनी सिक्वेन्सली त्या पुस्तकाचे जे वस्तूंची नाव आहेत ते लिहून घ्यायची. थर्ड, बुक. फोर्थ, शिला राऊत. सांगा. फोर्थ.
Pen. Pen.
पेन. राईट. 4, पेन.
Sir, what? Pen or paint?
पेन. It's not paint. Pen. 4, पेन. 4, pen. Right. Kaustubh. 5.
Mobile.
Kaustubh. 5, mobile. 5, mobile. Right. Sureka Tidke. 6. TV. 6. TV. 6. TV. Right. Deepika Ire. 7.
Black pen.
Black pen. Okay, black pen.
हाँ.
Black pen. 7. Black pen. 7. Black pen. 7. Black pen. Right. Siddhi. 8.
Car.
Car. 8. Car. 8. Car. Car. Right. Mr. Pramod. 9. Mr. Pramod. 9. Okay, mute yourself. You are not audible. Mute. Ananya. Ananya.
Bag.
Bag. 9. Bag. 9. Bag. 9. Bag. Okay. Sudhir. 10.
Hammer.
Hammer. Okay. 10. Hammer. 10. Hammer. Okay, mute yourself. 10. Hammer. Pratiksha. 11.
Remote.
Remote. Okay. 11. Remote. 11. Remote. Okay. Radhika. 12.
Dumbbells.
Right. Dumbbells. 12. 12 dumbbells. 12 dumbbells. Right. 12 dumbbells. Radhika madam. Vaibhav. Vaibhav. 13.
Charger.
Charger. Okay. Mute yourself. 13. Charger. 13. Charger. Okay. Rama madam. 14. Rama madam. 14. Okay. Surika Tilke is why? I think. Okay. Okay. Supriya.
Laptop.
Laptop. 14 laptop. Okay. Mute yourself. 14 laptop. 14 laptop. Laptop. Right. Rashmit Thakur.
Headphone.
Headphone. Okay. 15. Headphone. 15. Headphone. Okay. Nandini. 16.
BMW.
Okay. BMW. Okay. BMW. Okay. Gauri. 17. Gauri. 17. No. Okay. Mr. Vishwas. Mr. Vishwas.
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer. Okay. 17. Sanitizer. 17. Sanitizer. Right. Yash.
Tiffin box.
17, 18 tiffin box.
Tiffin box.
Okay, 18 tiffin box. 18 tiffin box. Prerna madam, 19.
iPad.
Not audible.
iPad.
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 Sorry,
Yes.
pad. Hello.
iPad.
iPad.
Yes.
iPad. iPad right now? You are not audible, ma'am.
Notepad.
Notepad. Okay, okay, notepad. Okay. 19, notepad. Okay, 19 note. Sharma sir. 20. Sharma sir. Let's see who are the next. Surika madam, tell one more. Last 20.
Matt.
Surika, sorry?
Matt.
Matt. Okay.
Matt.
Okay, okay, Matt. 20. Now see, you have written it. I haven't written it, but I will try my best level to recall it. I will try my best level to recall it. Yes. What was the first thing? You just tell me first. Hello?
Oil. Oil.
Oil. Right.
Oil.
Okay, second, I will first oil, second bottle, third book, fourth pen, I will tell. Fourth pen, fifth mobile, sixth TV, seven black pen, eight car, nine bag, 10 hammer, 11 remote, 12 dumbbells, 13 charger, 14 laptop, 15 headphone, 16 BMW, 17 sanitizer, 18 tiffin box, 19 notepad, and 20 mat.
Sir, all correct.
All are correct. Okay.
All correct.
Yeah, I haven't written it. You can ask me the number, I will tell you the thing. You can ask me the thing, I will tell you number.
Sir, number 8.
Sorry, Vaibhav, yes. Number
8.
number 8 car.
Yes, sir.
Number 6.
Number Mr. Vishwas.
16.
Number 16 BMW.
16.
BMW.
Sir, number 4.
Yes, sir.
Number 7.
Number 9. 1 minute. Number 4 pen. Number 9 bag.
Number
Nice,
7.
sir.
Number
Sir,
7
number
black
4.
pen.
Number 15.
Number
Number
10,
fif-
hammer.
Hammer. Number 10 hammer. Right.
Number 12.
Number 12 dumbbells.
Sir, number 15.
Number
Sir,
15.
number 15.
15 headphone. Hello.
Sir,
Hello.
number 4.
Okay.
BMW.
Number 4 is pen and BMW
Nice,
is
sir.
16.
Sir, mobile.
TV.
5 mobile.
Sir.
5 mobile.
Oh.
5 mobile.
Sir, sorry.
Yeah, don't forget I am teacher and you are student. TV 6.
Yes, sir.
TV 6. Okay. I'm going to teach you the technique, this technique. Hello. I'm going to teach you this technique. And I will bet with you after 10 minutes, each and every student will tell like me. I will bet with you. मी तुमच्याशी पैज मारतो की 10 मिनिटात मी जसं सांगितलं तसं तुमच्यातला प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी सांगू शकतो. And the same technique we are going to use in study. Same technique we are going to use in study. असं झालं ना वसूल होईल सर.